The genomes of all 1.5 million known species of animals, plants, protozoa and fungi on Earth will be sequenced for the first time. It is hoped the project will create a new foundation for scientists to come up with new ways of preserving biodiversity on the planet while sustaining human societies. Experts believe that the project help provide a greater understanding of the world's biodiversity and promote the responsible use of its resources. Scroll down for video. What is genome sequencing? It is the process of determining the complete DNA sequence of an organism's genome at a single time. A genome is an organism's complete set of genetic instructions written in DNA. Each genome contains all of the information needed to build that organism and allow it to grow and develop. With advances in technology and falling costs of sequencing, scientists are able to decipher these sequences with increasing speed. They can be used to show the evolution of an organism and how it changed over time. The Wellcome Sanger Institute, in collaboration with the Natural History Museum, is leading the initiative. Dr. Tim Littlewood, head of the Life Sciences Department at the museum, said, "Whether you are interested in food, disease, or speciation, the history of how every organism on the planet has diverged and adapted to its environment is recorded in its genetic makeup. How you then harness that is dependent on your ability to understand it." The UK effort, known as the Darwin Tree of Life Project, officially launches on November 1 alongside the global effort the Earth Biogenome Project, EBP. Around 66,000 UK species will be sequenced, showing how they have evolved over time. The museum will be using its expertise to help gather samples and set guidelines on how to collect and sequence particular groups of organisms. As a result, the project will provide experts with a greater understanding of Earth's biodiversity. This, experts at the museum argue, is a result of understanding evolution and interactions among millions of the planet's organisms. Share this article. Share highlighting the significance of the study, Dr. Littlewood said. A lot of the UK's species lists and ID guides are now over 100 years old. We've not actually redressed or returned to our own natural history for a very long time in any grand system. And we've not yet looked at it in a modern sense either. The Darwin Tree of Life project will establish a new baseline assessment of UK biodiversity as seen through genomics. It will also help with understanding the numerous species that live across the country and how they have changed over the last few centuries. Dr. Littlewood added, "We will be using modern methods to get a really good window on the present and the past. And of course a window on the past gives you a perspective model on the future." It has been estimated that the project will take around 10 years to complete. All of the data collected during the project will be stored in public domain databases and made freely available for research use.